Throw though.
Hot. I throw them hot like hot cakes, baby. Hot. Psyching out. Bro pulling pistols on anyone. Hopped out the car with a big XK, grip it under my arm like a minigun. Nigga think he can take any of my hoes and sit back watching receive a Cinnabon. Run out of the house and we found.
What's up, bro? You good?
I spoke with your brand, bro.
Ori, I forgot my film.
I got you, dog. I got one. I got one.
You got film. Ooh, we back. We here now. We back. Back Central Raven, New York. Steel Creek. Concrete, New York.
You know you're gonna go crazy every time. You all gonna go crazy. Rolling Loud song, right?
Try to.
The purple dress.
Nigga, I can listen to it.
Them hard.
Hey, yo, let's get out of here. We gotta go. Let's go. You got my wallet and everything, right?
Yeah, it is like a school bus. It's like a bus. I feel like I'm on like I feel like I'm holding the thing and I do my stop.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm ready.
A little fancier.
Yeah, a little fancier.
In New York, man. Rolling Loud. 2021. First time performing. My new single.
Weather got my fucking dick shriveled up. Pinto bean mode. I think rolling out LA was this cold, right?
It's in December.
In LA?
Yeah. When I had the orange jacket on,
Yeah.
but you get
through them hands.
when you get it.
Cold, you
Ooh.
got a real buff.
Yeah, back like I never left. Every nigga hating, suck a dick, put him on the shelf. Niggas didn't help when I was down, I don't need help. $50,000, old hunters look like sea kelp. Yeah, strapping up your seatbelt. In a coupe, trying to figure out how deep felt. Yeah, big diamonds in my ears are like seashells. Couple $1 million unclaimed in my email. Oh, now you wanna see me ride around like night with a star like LAPD. Big flights ain't even left the home, we be geek. Everything we do be in 3D.
Who I am, you be texting me. So I'm breaking bread without my fam, cause I don't take no
I know. How do you know that?
But you can't do that one? I can't do it.
Which one?
You can't do it, nigga. Yeah, that's what I said. This shit. I just confused it. I can't do it.
Oh no, I can't. I'm not even getting started.
Don't hurt yourself now.
Mad about that. I'm mad about that. Morning, put my board. Talk on blue like boys, nigga too noisy, keep me around. Keisha sing like John, you my crown. Why go shop my quarters, send on shows, fuck with the horses.
It'll be more specific.
I'm keep shit, smoking a nigga like you can laugh in the early.
Young in the big keys. I pull the J's out, snatch a bitch wig off like.
We executed this so fast.
Yeah, this is fine. A little old school too, almost.
Did we put out the next day?
Huh?
We put out the next day or later?
Something like that. Where you at? You see?
Drink baby shit, man. You know what's going on, man. We in Long Beach with it, man. Concrete shit. You better get up here.
California.
You gotta go.
Got something to tell you. Listen, play, bro. Yeah, Complexcon. Let's keep it smooth, you heard me? I ain't gonna say it no more. You get one of these.
Appreciate you.
Hey, if you check our DMs, they got been here, you trying to get check. Well, I'm gonna come get you right now. Let's do it. Come on, I'm in the booth, nigga.
Take care of you, big brother. I'm on y'all.
Are you performing? Are you DJing? No, you didn't tuck everything already. No, you didn't tuck everything already. Hey. Your brother here? You not here? Fucking man. Like I really have a huge, tremendous creative respect for you. Dude, it's fucking crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna text you, bro. I'm glad. Follow me here.
Wait, right now? What time is it right now? Crazy. Okay, 30 minutes on that. Oh, yeah. That's hard as fuck. Hey, I'm gonna pop out to your set. I promise you. They get together with
I brought him here. All right. Are you gonna be? Yeah, I'm about to. No, I think it's at 6 a.m. I'll send him here. All right. I got this up here. And like 20 minutes, I'm about to go rehearse in the back.
They know what time it is. They know what time it is.
Hey! 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 Fake niggas. A fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Sneak this up, boy, so don't like. Don't like. Don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Don't like. Don't like. Fuck so, let's go.
So I want it to be like, I want people to see this because people are already so excited. Like I even tweeted this morning, like people geeked up about it just because it's shot on iPhone. And it's like the fact that you and I are coming together on this, I want to show people like, you could do this with what you got in your pocket. Like anyone could do it. You just gotta be creative with it. We got the jersey for you too. There's the Michael right here.
Ready with the Garrett? I see you.
So we in Chicago with Cole Bennett, Lyrical Lemonade. About to shoot a video.
So what I'm gonna do is like, how I'm gonna transition it is like there's this green screen studio up north that I used to shoot like all like classic old video, me and Dex, like all sorts of stuff back then. Yeah. We're gonna go there because there's gonna be like a 10-15 second segment of song that we're gonna do all on green screen, but like you walk onto the green screen and then like it keys in and like you go through this journey. But the last scene of the green screen, one of the versions of you walks out and another one walks in with a bat, and then it's gonna transition to you here on the field, and you're gonna pitch it to yourself, you're gonna hit it, you're gonna catch it in the sands, and it's all like performance moments. It's fun, it's short, but it reminds me of like almost like the Kaufman song. It's like the same shit. I remember when you put that out, you just put it on YouTube. You're like, I just want to put out some music.
Same day.
Just have fun.
We did that the same day. Yeah. 2 hours later.
Yeah.
After I made the song.
But big shouts out to Cole, you know. This is dope. It's gonna be real good.
How this happened? You sent him the song or?
I sent him a bunch of songs. Pick one. And Cole was like, man, you can come to Chicago. I'm like, yeah, you can come to Chicago. Made it happen. So I appreciate him. This is dope. It's gonna be fun. Been overdue, supposed to do a video with Cole, you know. I haven't done a video with Cole since, well, we did that feature. I mean, me and him shot a video in 2015 before either one of us was popping.
Oh shit.
Yeah, back in the day. Me and K Supreme did a video with Cole. First time ever won, 1985. That stopped. They paid like 6,000-7,000 for these. Gonna break them out today.
after we're trying to live in our mouth. So that's when you walk up to bat.
Okay.
Yeah.
On my mom, niggas cold bitch. Niggas can fall quick. Niggas in his eyes and show snitch.
I throw though.
Hot. I throw them hot like hot cakes, baby. Hot.
Yeah, I never played this.
Actually, I played T-ball.
Okay.
I played T-ball.
Okay.
About 4 years old.
Okay.
Maybe 5. But we're gonna insert a picture right here. T-ball, man, I was a real star. I'm just saying. It's like, I'll take big ass train, man.
What made you want to shoot on an iPhone?
I've been wanting to do an iPhone video for a long time. I remember talking to Dex like 5 years ago saying, bro, we were in a hotel room. I was like, let's shoot this video on iPhone. He's like, your camera's right there. I was like, you're right. It's something I want to do for a while, and I just figured Yachty would be the perfect one to do it with, so just having fun.
MLK down, my wrist tied up, watch worth of life, chain for a soul, red beam on top when I'm cold.
Clearly out of shape. I don't know what the weather is. It's cold as fuck. 1985s, by the way. I don't know if we said that.
I don't know. We gotta remind them though.
Yeah, 1985s. Never been worn until today. First time wearing them. And I'm saying chrome hearts. Why is everything chrome?
See in here, and you just kind of be looking out, like, you know, the ball's just out of sight.
Which way the ball's going? This way?
It's going like right over your head. So action on you.
Look, Michael. Yeah, no, really. I strike some shit out. Right. I used to play T-ball.
T-ball is where you don't pitch.
Sorry.
You just sit on the tee.
I set the tee up though.
Okay.
Yeah, I ain't know. Touch me. Insert the picture here. I did that shit for real. He know about me. Ask him. Buddy over there, he know about me.
Tim Anderson?
Yeah, ask me.
Y'all was in the same recruiting class?
Since 4. You went on the front?
No, it's perfect. It's like that.
Good.
Great. Yeah, you want something ball too? You want something ball?
Yeah.
Nice. I said he wants his frame. Jake's gonna be walking past, and I just want you to like walk up behind him and like Jake, you're walking this way. You come up and just like press him like this, and you know what I mean, like get in, and then Yachty, you just pull him back.
Literally.
I need to stop on it better.
That was pretty good, yeah. But anything you could do would help. Like the better, the more into it.
Without touching the camera, yeah.
Don't touch it, yeah. But everything without touching the camera.
Psyching out. Bro pulling pistols on anyone. Hopped out the car with a big SK, grip it under my arm like a minigun. Nigga think he can take any of my hoes and sit back watching receive a Cinnabon. Run out of the house and we find some hoes on my mom with a ratio 10-1. All of my exes look at me like God, I turn up facade. Buy a car, but it's still on my name. If that bitch try to leave, take it back like a shot.
Like an actual video.
That shit is hard.
Like when the car passes, get transition with you like in the studio, like with the little Hot Wheels, and then you get up and you walk to the green screen.
We out here shooting this iPhone video, man. It's cold ass Chicago weather. Bold Bennett.
Can I try one more on the wide lens? I'm sorry, I'm trying to make sure we get it.
Wait, that's insane.
Let me get a video on you real quick, man.
Wait, that's so cool. Oh my god. Holy shit. Wait, that's dope.
Folks out here in the red, man, on TV. Folks out here.
Thank you so much. Oh my god, you're so good seeing me.
Thank you so much, bro. Y'all my idols.
Thank you.
Got it? Hey, thank you so much.
process that I just met you.
That's crazy.
I'm high as fuck.
Hey.
How you doing today?
I'm not high, so.
Oh wait, that actually is.
I'm a big fan, period.
You're gonna walk over here, you're gonna hop over, and you're gonna walk towards that. You don't need to start doing it just yet, because that's gonna be a different cut. You know what I mean?
Hey, you come here.
Recognize me, man. How you doing?
How you been, man? How's everything?
You doing well? I'm doing great, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. But so, the scene.
I have this at home, except that mine's actual material.
Huh?
Like how this is plastic, mine's actual suit.
Yeah, you went crazy. They gave me this for free when I bought I got the Chewbacca, E.T. and that, and then they.
He not tough, he told. 150 my shows. Pull up with the model, bitches, Coca-Cola, no. How my cousin, you know, little party, my nose for it. Sock it out. Roll on the piss on anyone. I got a car and a big ass cake, but I don't know how to minigun. Nigga can't take it all. Sit back, watch you see the cinema.
That's a wrap. Officially done, man. A long day. Still tired, but we did it, man. Appreciate you, bro.
Thank you, man. I'm about to, in like an hour or so, I'm gonna text you the master version.
Okay. I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna try my best to finish it tonight, like into the morning. But if worst thing, yeah, I don't want to exactly. If I feel it's perfect and we drop tomorrow, then we go. But if it's like I can be better, then I'll just wait and perfect it.
Niggas not rich. On my mama, niggas cold, bitch. Niggas will fall quick. Looking at his eyes, it shows snitch. Up that fire on his ass, bet he changed bitch. Left my hot head brother home, he too dangerous. Oh shit, Rocky Road. He not tough, he told.